Good morning, guys. I'm not in Wyoming, as you can tell. I made us a little trip down to Florida to do some fishing. So I met a new friend here. Her name's Janice. She kind of got me hooked up with this the crew they have here today. We're going to go out for maybe some sailfish, some black tuna. Let's see what else. Maybe some bottom fish, a red snapper or something like that. We're on a 34-foot CV. That's how you say it. Pretty awesome boat. Supposed to be a little choppy out there today, but I think we're gonna have a good time. This Captain Josh at a Rum Front at Islamorada in Florida. This is my new friend Janice.
Good
she
morning.
Hooked us up today. This is the skipper here, Josh. Slammer John back there.
What's going on?
Deckmate to help us out. So we're going to head out first thing this morning. I think we're catch some bait fish. Is that what
we're going to go catch? Yeah, we're going to go pill with pin traps and then catch some, hopefully some cigar minnows and some ballyhoos, and we'll put a couple sails in the air, hopefully.
Oh, that sounds awesome. Well, it'll be my first time catching sailfish, so let's hope that happens. So get you on out there. Try to catch some ballyhoo. Cast net here. Got a sabiki rig also. Got a chum bag out there. These terns come in here, these seagulls, whatever they are. They get up and they start diving in the ballyhoo. What happens, that scares the ballyhoo out, so we can't catch them. So we run these bags of plastic, as you can see there. That scares the birds away. In turn brings the ballyhoo to us, and hopefully we can catch them that way. You can see the boat over there. It's all together. The bag flying out the back of it also. You see the ballyhoo are here now, so we'll get a couple.
Way to stay tight. I think that's what we had. I think that's what we had.
Yeah, initially.
That other bite. Unless you want to catch one of those, Janice.
I think not, thank you.
Nice fish.
Yeah, I think that's what we had on that other drill.
Well, that about wore me out.
I will say.
What do you think he weighs? 20?
That's working around here.
25?
That's over 20.
Coming right out here. Right here. Right here.
Oh, gosh.
Just jump up. Yeah, you get. Take that bottom rod up.
Steve, come and take it.
No, I'm gonna watch you do it.
Don't over crank, don't over crank. He's running, Janice, don't crank, don't crank. If he's running, lift up easy. You may need a little more heat on him, Slammer.
It's not that, I mean, it's pretty hot.
All right, that's fine. Yeah, they just kind of sit there. He's heading offshore. I gotta get these bottom rods up. Just stay tight on him, Janice.
Okay.
Pretty close. It's right in front.
Getting it now, right?
Well, this reel's really hard.
What's that?
This reel is really hard to reel.
When he comes up, I'm gonna go at him.
All right.
Right here. Fish, nice work, Janice.
Thanks. Here he is. Here he is.
You don't want to jump for nothing.
Oh!
You don't want to jump for nothing.
Oh!
Nice and easy.
Stay tight on him. I gotta get these rods out. Nice work. Aha!
Drop it. Oh, God.
Dude, what? You fucking kidding me?
Can't win for losing here. Just come unbuttoned. I wasn't doing anything. I was just holding the rod too. Broke the line.
Oh, went through?
What is fucking going on? How are they going for 30 now?
Bad luck. I had no luck.
I'll never. He was wrapped again for sure.
Hey.
Well,
That's sailfishing for you.
Sailfishing.
You let me know when you got that lead. Just
right here.
all right.
Show me the pink.
My friend. Aha! We got
There
her
it
done,
is.
baby!
Well, that was a good fight. I think it's time for Janice to hook something now. It's getting late in the day, probably about 2 o'clock. I think that weighed about 15 pounds. That snapper, that was good eating right there. Let's see if we can catch another one. Well, that was a good one.
Oh, yeah.
Another 10 pounds anyway, I'll bet. What's he got, a squid or something?
Little eel.
An eel? Weird.
Little eel.
Well, I think that was our last pass. Let's see, it's 3:36. Tell you what, you go out with Josh, he takes you for a full day. Look at this hour out and hour back. Spent about an hour catching bait this morning. Fine. You know, she's almost all the ballyhoo. And perfect though. We had a great day, fantastic day. Water's blue, weather's nice, good people, good fun. I'll leave the link in the description down below. You can get a hold of Josh in Rum Front Sportfishing. Thanks, you guys. Talk to you in a little bit. Bye.
Yeah.
Where'd you get the amateur?
170.
Dinner tonight. Maybe tomorrow night.